Hi guys, how to log into Roblox. Now open the Roblox app on your mobile device or PC, or go directly to the official Roblox website in your browser. Stick with the official site to avoid fake login pages that steal accounts. Click the login button on the landing page. Don't have an account yet? You choose sign up instead. But since you are here to recover or log in, keep watching because Step 4 saves people every single day. Type your Roblox username, email, or phone number into the first box, then enter your password in the box below it. This sounds basic, but mixing up username and email is the #1 login mistake. Forgot your password? Here is the gold. Click Forgot Password or Username at the bottom. You can also choose to receive a one-time code via email, or select Log in with another device to scan a QR code and sign in instantly. That QR trick is a lifesaver. Once your correct info is filled in, click the green login button and boom, you are back inside your Roblox account dashboard. Hit subscribe for more login fixes and hidden Roblox tips.